Sub LNF, another one. I see you struggle like butterflies in water. Can't keep moving forward. I see your shoulders weighted down by armor. You don't need that protection. I will walk on glass. I will run 10,000 miles and more. I will keep my eyes. If you lost your sight, I will run through fire. I will carry you through the heat. I will do it all again. If you needed me to, wish that I could take away your pain like sunbeams in the rain. Oh, we're family. Wherever you go, I'll follow. Whatever you do, I'll handle. I will walk on glass. I will run 10,000 miles and more. I will keep my eyes. If you lost your sight, I will run through fire. I will carry you through the heat. I will do it all again. If you needed me to, I'll do it all over again. I'll do it all over again.
I don't care if you're here or if you're not alone. I don't care, it's been too long. It's kinda like it didn't happen. The way that your lips move, the way this was gone. I don't care, it's good as gone. I said I won't lose control, I don't want it. I said I won't get too close, but I can't stop it. Oh no, there you go, making me a liar. Be begging you for more, oh no, here we go, starting up a fire. Oh no,
I will
no.
walk on glass. I will run 10,000 miles and more. I will keep my eyes. If you lost your sight, I will run through fire. I will carry you through the heat. I will do it all again. If you needed me to, I'll do it all over again. I'll do it all over again.
In your dream, you're drowning. I just walked in and saved you. I'm your alternate escape route, the altar you pray to, your ultimate savior. Your behavior is altered, ain't your fault cause I made you. Brainwash and persuade you. Gibraltar, you're faithful, never falter a waiver. When you cause it in danger, I'm your guardian angel. Nobody can tell you shit you've already made you. Might just follow me, babe, you won't be sorry you stayed. You always ride, whatever the plan is to the end. Even if I let us into an ambush, even if we robbed the First National and cops caught us red-handed, they're coming at us and we're trapped with our backs up against the wall and it's too tall. You catapult me or hold the ladder for me. Stay back to get captured, take the fall. You make it all worth it, baby doll, you're perfect. The way you are, accidents happen. All I know is you love me. That's really all that matters. And any who cross our path are just collateral damage. At your side, got your lateral back, your front diagonal backwards. Blackbird, we attack like animals. When they threaten what we have, it's a natural reaction. You'll lay a bitch flat on her back in a second flat from me. Who tries to take your man from you, it's blasphemy. And if the casualty, you'll go whatever route, whatever you have to do, you blasphemy. I never doubt.
Walk on glass.